Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be a not too new series. I'm just bringing it in another form and in another style. So today I'm going to be deep cleaning my apartment. You guys, I have been going through it, like mentally. I wouldn't say physically, not too much physically, but mentally I've just been like, I wouldn't say I've been mentally drained, because I kind of don't want to jinx myself, but I've just been like tired. I've not been working, I've not been doing anything. I've just been tired of doing nothing, basically. So I finished my last class around January 24, and this is currently February 24. So literally I've gone 1 month without having any class, without doing anything, and like most of the jobs are kind of like booked and stuff, so I've just not been busy. And one thing I have neglected throughout this time is self-love. Sometimes I just wake up and I am on my bed and I'm just like, I can't stand up today, I don't want to do anything today. I've already jinxed the day. Today is going to be a horrible day. Even when I have assignments due, I still don't want to do them because I simply don't feel motivated enough to do it. And this is just a reminder that you should take care of yourself regardless of what is going on, regardless of the situation around. And self-love is more than just like saying daily affirmations, and more than just looking at yourself in the mirror and just telling yourself, I'm so beautiful, I'm loved, I'm kind, I'm good. Self-love is deeper than that. Self-love goes to how you take care of your surroundings, how you take care of things you own, how you take care of things you care about. I just haven't been doing that for a while now. Maybe it's because I don't have anything to show up for. Maybe it's because I don't have a thing I'm pursuing at the moment. I'm just like literally free, so there is really nothing to go after. So it's just to remind you that even when there is nothing to pursue, even when there is nothing to chase, even when you don't have classes, you don't have a goal at hand, you don't have a job, you don't have anything, you are still a priority to yourself. How you take care of yourself is what actually matters the most. How you show up for yourself, because you show up to jobs, you show up to goals, you show up for other things, but when it comes to yourself, when it comes to loving yourself, when it comes to doing good to you, you simply don't show up because you're too used to yourself. It's like, oh, I've been living with myself for the past, I'm 22 years old, so I've been living with myself for the past 22 years old, so for the past 20 years, so there is really nothing left for me that I haven't done to myself. So it's just like, don't neglect yourself. Don't get too used to being comfortable. Don't get too used to being okay with a situation. Don't get too used to being average. Don't get too used to just being, like, I saw this YouTube video by All Things Cause, when she was like, you are your biggest project, and that really hit me. Like, you are actually your biggest project. How you take care of yourself matters a lot. How you show up for yourself matters a lot. How you actually take care of things around you, because those are still yours. Those are things you own. Those are still part of your personality. It's like, look around me, the things I chose to own are for me, they are mine. So it's, if you neglect everything, you're just simply saying that, oh, you don't have an opinion for your own life, you don't have a say in your own life. It's like, what other people want me to do is what matters. If you go to school, if you have goals and you set goals, it's almost like you're telling other people that, oh, this is what matters. How you guys see me is what matters more than how I see myself. So basically, always try to, and always like do better at prioritizing yourself. And these are some ways I actually learned to do that. One, cleaning up, which is basically what I'm doing now, because I haven't gone through my surroundings in a long time, and most of the times when I have a trash, I just kind of dump it on the floor, because I'm like, never mind, I'll still clean that up. So it's like, don't turn your surroundings into a dump, because if you turn, people usually say that, oh, your surroundings actually define what's going on in your head. So if your surrounding is actually a dump, then it kind of means your head is a dump. So it's like, how look around you. What are the things you see? How is everything around you? Is it neat? Is everything around you going okay? If it's not, then your head is probably chaos. So how to get that done with is just taking care of like the little things around you, putting things in place, cleaning up, and it just makes everything feel better. It makes you breathe better. It makes you look at things from a different perspective. It just gives you a clean mind, basically. So 1, clean up. And the second thing, take care of yourself. If you haven't done your nails in a long time, go get them done. I would have done my nails today, but I have a job tomorrow, so I was just like, never mind. I probably won't do my nails this month again, but it doesn't matter, to be honest. So yeah, get your nails done, get your hair done, wash your face, show up for yourself, go out, have a nice dinner, cook. Don't watch a movie if you've been doing it too much, because I kind of have. But yeah, watch a movie. Just get up from your bed, get your body moving. Don't stay stagnant. Just, enjoy, go around and stuff. I think that's going to be all for this series. And if you guys like this kind of videos, let me know, because this is going to be something I'll do every single month, like towards the end of every month going into a new month. I'm just going to like do some voiceovers over like new topics and over things that actually concerned me for that month. So maybe next month is going to be something else that came up, or I feel like next month is going to be about time management, because I'm finally starting my classes on Monday. So hopefully I won't have something bad to say about time management. So it's been fun spending time with you guys. Hopefully you stay tuned and you subscribe and you like and share and comment. Bye bye.